After 60, many women look in the mirror and feel a quiet ache. The fine lines linger. The skin around the eyes thins. And one morning you realize it's not just your reflection that's changed, it's how you feel about it. You've tried the creams, you've followed the ads, yet deep down a thought whispers, maybe it's too late. But I'm here to tell you, it's not. Your skin, it's absolutely not a lost cause. In fact, it's alive, intelligent, and still listening. Every single cell is waiting for the right signal to repair, renew, and glow again. Break time, zero tolerance. And science proves this. Even in your 60s and 70s, your skin still responds. It lights up when you give it what it truly needs. Nourishment, genuine rest, and gentle, loving care from the inside out. You don't need more expensive jars or empty promises. What you truly need is a ritual, a small daily act that gently reminds your skin it's still vibrant, still capable of breathtaking beauty. In this video, we'll dive deep into the real science of aging gracefully and uncover the simple, natural ways to truly help your skin come back to life. But first, tell me in the comments below, where are you watching from and how old are you? And if you're ready to embrace truly healthy, youthful skin after 60, hit that subscribe button. This journey, my friend, is absolutely for you. Your skin never truly stops working. Even now, it's constantly renewing itself, though perhaps a little less vigorously than before. The real issue isn't that your skin has given up, but rather its natural support system has simply weakened. Collagen, the vital protein keeping your skin firm and elastic, declines by about 1% annually after age 20, accelerating even faster post-menopause. But here's the truly good news. Those collagen-producing cells, they're not dead. They're simply waiting for the right signals. In fact, research from Harvard and the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology clearly shows that older adults consistently incorporating vitamin C-rich foods and using retinoids can noticeably reduce wrinkles and significantly improve skin texture in just a few months. So your skin hasn't simply stopped. It's genuinely waiting for your care. And that vital care begins from within. So let's talk about hydration. Ritual number 1, hydrate from the inside out. Your skin cells don't simply retire. They're actively waiting for the right signals. And fundamentally, those signals begin inside. Hydration isn't merely about drinking water. It's crucially about empowering your skin to retain that moisture. The outermost layer, the stratum corneum, naturally locks in hydration through vital natural oils. However, as we gracefully age, these essential lipids decline and our skin gradually loses its innate ability to stay deeply hydrated. Even with ample water intake, your skin can still feel truly thirsty. A pivotal study from the University of Pennsylvania revealed that older adults achieve genuine skin hydration only when their diets incorporated essential omega-3 fatty acids and powerful antioxidants. Specifically, foods like flax seeds, walnuts, and cold water fish actively rebuild your skin's vital barrier, while vitamin E, abundant in leafy greens, significantly strengthens it further. Consider Elaine, 72, from California. She simply added 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and a refreshing glass of lemon water to her routine each morning. Remarkably, within just a month, her skin visibly transformed, looking not just alive but truly radiant. Indeed, small, steady rituals like this truly create visible, lasting change. And tonight, we'll uncover how the quiet healer, sleep, magnificently continues this essential work. Ritual number 2, the healing power of sleep. Few truly realize how profoundly sleep shapes the face reflected in our mirrors. Even your preferred sleeping position can subtly deepen fine lines over time. Yet it's not solely about position. During crucial deep sleep, your body naturally releases growth hormone, the quiet architect diligently rebuilding and repairing your skin from within. When sleep is shallow or frequently broken, this vital healing process undeniably falters. Researchers at the University of California, Los Angeles, discovered that adults over 60 who slept less than 6 hours each night showed more wrinkles, dullness, and sagging than those who rested at least 7. The difference wasn't just in how they looked, it was in how their skin recovered. If you consistently wake up tired and instantly notice deeper lines, your body's likely simply asking for essential rest. Try implementing a calming bedtime ritual. Dim the lights, cool the room, and ditch screens for at least an hour. Deliberately let your mind slow down so your skin can truly catch up. Healthy sleep doesn't just restore your energy, it profoundly renews your face, your very cells, your inherent glow. Your skin is alive, responsive, and still listening. Every night of deep rest helps it rebuild what time has taken. So tonight, honor your skin by sleeping like it matters, because it does. And tomorrow, when you wake, look at your reflection with curiosity, not judgment. Ask, what does my skin need today? A walk in the sun? A sip of water? A gentler start? Share your thoughts below. Have you noticed how sleep, or the lack of it, affects your skin? Your story might inspire someone still trying to find their own nightly ritual. Up next, let's bravely explore the light that specifically heals instead of harms. Ritual number 3. Light that heals. When you instinctively touch your face and perhaps wonder what more you can do, remember this profound truth. Your skin is still listening. It's actively waiting for the right language. And that powerful language truly begins with light. Not harsh sunlight, but gentle morning light. For years, the sun's been blamed for aging skin. Yet early light, before 10 a.m., can actually restore. These soft rays trigger vital vitamin D production, a nutrient crucial for skin repair, cell renewal, and inflammation control. Researchers at Boston University found that low vitamin D levels lead to thinner, slower healing skin in older adults. But just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sun on your hands and face can make a measurable difference. No tanning, no risk, only regeneration. Your mood lifts, your cells awaken, and your skin remembers how to glow again. Pair this with omega-3s and antioxidants, and you give your skin what it's been asking for: balance, energy, renewal. And now let's move deeper, into another kind of light, one that glows from within. Red light therapy and your body's power to regenerate. Ritual number 4, the other kind of light, red light therapy. There's another kind of light that doesn't come from the sun. It's called red light. Low-level red and near-infrared wavelengths now studied in top dermatology departments at Harvard, Stanford, and beyond. These gentle yet potent rays have been definitively shown to significantly boost collagen density, dramatically improve elasticity, and visibly reduce persistent crow's feet and frown lines within mature skin. How does it work? By energizing your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside every cell. When these are optimally activated, they generate more essential healing proteins, thus empowering your skin to robustly repair and actively renew itself. It's truly like gently reminding your skin how to breathe vibrantly again. The best part? You don't need expensive gadgets or spa visits. Many clinics offer short, safe sessions, and even FDA-approved home devices can prove effective when used properly. Just remember, always consult a professional first. What truly matters is knowing your skin still has the power to respond. Given the right encouragement, it remembers how to heal. And speaking of healing from within, let's talk about something far more common and far more damaging than you might think: sugar. Ritual number 5. Eat for your skin. Cut sugar. Calm inflammation. Sugar isn't just in candy or soda. It hides in breads, sauces, cereals, and healthy snacks. Too much of it silently ages your skin from the inside out. Through a process called glycation, sugar binds to proteins and forms compounds known as ages, advanced glycation end products. These brittle molecules attack collagen and elastin, making skin less elastic and more prone to wrinkles. A landmark study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people with higher blood sugar levels, diabetic or not, had significantly more wrinkles than those with balanced glucose. Even if you feel healthy, excess sugar can insidiously dull and weaken your skin. Cutting back gives your body room to repair. One man I met, Carlos, age 68, used to drink sweet tea daily. His doctor noticed rising blood sugar and suggested diet first. Carlos swapped his tea for herbal infusions and cinnamon-sweetened oatmeal. 3 months later, his face looked firmer, his eyes brighter, and for the first time in years, he skipped his moisturizer. His skin felt alive again. That's because when you reduce sugar, inflammation subsides. And inflammation is the silent thief of youth. It creeps beneath the surface, manifesting as puffiness, dullness, or deepening lines. You can fight back with anti-inflammatory foods, fatty fish like salmon, avocados, olive oil, turmeric, and berries. Think of them not just as meals, but as daily skin therapy you can eat. They reduce oxidative stress, protect collagen, and give your skin that quiet glow that no cream can replicate. And if you've ever wondered whether it's too late, the truth is deeply reassuring. It's not. Skin regenerates every 27 to 40 days, even in your 70s. What you eat today will shape the face you see next month. You're not stuck with what you have, you're shaping what comes next. So tomorrow morning, when you're making breakfast or heading out for a walk, ask yourself, how can I nourish my skin today? Maybe it's chia on your toast, a glass of lemon water, or a few minutes of soft sunlight. Small habits done with care powerfully add up. If you've made one simple change that transformed your skin, share it below. Your story might inspire someone else still figuring it out, because every act of care, each thoughtful choice, is your skin quietly listening, waiting for you to speak its language again. And speaking of that connection, let's explore something surprising that also shapes how your skin ages: the muscles right beneath your face. Ritual number 6, the power of touch and facial movement. There's one element of aging skin most people overlook: your facial muscles. These tiny fibers beneath the surface are responsible for every smile, frown, and expression you've ever made. Over time, tension builds in them like folds in paper. The more we repeat those folds, the deeper they become. But just like stretching your shoulders relieves stiffness, gentle facial movement can release years of built-up tension. A study in JAMA Dermatology followed women aged 40 to 65 who practiced daily facial exercises for 20 weeks. The results were striking: improved cheek fullness, softer lines, and a fresher appearance, all without injections or surgery. Facial massage works through science, not magic. It boosts circulation, stimulates collagen, and brings oxygen to tired skin. Even simple upward strokes while applying moisturizer can help drain puffiness and revive tone. Lillian, 70, began a 3-minute evening massage, just candlelight, soft music, and her hands. A few weeks later, she noticed not only smoother skin, but something deeper: connection. "I stopped rushing," she said. "I started seeing myself again." That's the real secret. Touch isn't vanity, it's care. And when you treat your skin with softness, it responds with life. Next, we'll explore another silent force that shapes your skin from within: stress. Ritual number 7, calm the mind. Heal the skin. It's perfectly natural to want smoother skin and to feel that soft, youthful glow again. But one of the quietest and most underestimated forces shaping your skin isn't found in a cream or serum. It's stress. Chronic emotional stress doesn't just live in the mind. It leaves its fingerprints on your skin through what scientists call the cortisol cascade. When you're under constant tension, your body releases cortisol, a stress hormone that, over time, breaks down collagen and triggers inflammation. The result? Skin that appears duller, thinner, and slower to repair itself. Researchers at Yale discovered that people living with prolonged psychological stress showed faster biological aging, including more visible wrinkles and loss of elasticity, than those who felt emotionally balanced. But the hopeful part is this: the same study found that reducing stress through gentle movement, breathwork, and mindfulness could reverse some of those changes. That means your daily walk, your quiet cup of tea, even a slow, intentional breath. These aren't indulgences, they're skin therapy. When your mind softens, your skin follows. It becomes more oxygenated, more radiant, more alive. If you've been carrying worries about your health, family, or simply the passage of time, remember your skin feels it too, but it's never too late to release that weight. Just 2 minutes a day of stillness can change your entire complexion. Sit with yourself, hand over heart, and breathe deeply. As your heart rate slows, your skin begins to glow from the inside out. Inner peace becomes visible. And tonight, when you wash your face, Try this simple ritual. Use warm water, not hot. Pat gently with a soft towel. Then, as you apply your moisturizer, move your hands with care. Circles around the eyes, upward strokes on the neck, gentle taps along the jawline. Think of it not as a routine, but as an act of connection. Tomorrow, if the world feels rushed or heavy, take one pause. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly. That single mindful breath lowers cortisol, calms your heart, and reminds your body that it's safe to rest. I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed how your skin mirrors your emotions? Have you ever looked in the mirror and seen the weight of stress or the lightness of peace? Share your experience below. Your story might comfort someone else who's still finding their balance. Because the truth is, preventing wrinkles after 60 isn't just about products. It's about care. Care for your body, your mind, and your spirit. Every wrinkle softened is a story still unfolding, and every breath is a chance to begin again. And as we continue this journey, let's explore the final powerful ally for your skin: gentle movement and joyful laughter. The kind of energy that turns calm into collagen. Cheshire ritual number 8. Move, breathe, and laugh your way to younger skin. Movement is one of the most underrated forms of skincare. Gentle, consistent activity, like walking, stretching, dancing, or gardening, does far more for your skin than most people imagine. Each time you move, blood flow increases, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and hormones that nourish your skin from the inside out. Circulation clears toxins and wakes up the cells that give your skin color, elasticity, and glow. Exercise also releases endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals. They calm your nervous system and lower stress hormones. And as we've learned, calm equals collagen. In fact, research published in Aging Cell found that older adults who exercised moderately just 5 days a week had skin that appeared up to 10 years younger than those who were sedentary. And there's another secret ingredient: laughter. Real, soul-deep laughter doesn't create wrinkles. It heals them. It floods your body with joy hormones that reduce inflammation and boost immunity. Scientists even have a name for it: psychodermatology, the study of how emotions shape the skin. So walk, stretch, breathe, and laugh every day. Your skin will respond with something no cream can create: radiance that comes from the joy of simply being alive. As you move through your day, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, how can I bring more kindness to my reflection, more calm to my breath, more nourishment to my plate? Aging beautifully isn't about chasing perfection, it's about presence. Your skin doesn't ask you to be young again. It simply asks you to pay attention. Protect it from harsh sun, yes, but also from harsh thoughts. Feed it with nutrients, but also with stillness, movement, laughter, and sleep. Because aging isn't the opposite of youth. It's the evolution of wisdom, of softness, of light you've earned through a lifetime of living. When you look at your hands, you may see time written across them. I hope you also see strength, grace, the quiet power to choose how you care for yourself today, not out of vanity, but out of love. You deserve to feel comfortable in your own skin. You deserve to glow. If this message helped you see your skin differently, tell me below. What small habit or daily ritual has helped you feel more alive, confident, or peaceful? Your story might be the light someone else needs. And if you're new here, welcome to Senior Health Guard, where we talk about more than skin. We explore movement, sleep, nutrition, and purpose. Everything that helps you age with vitality and joy. So please like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs hope today. Next time, we'll uncover 5 morning habits that reawaken your energy after 60. Simple, science-backed rituals to help you start every day with clarity, strength, and calm. Until then, remember, you're not too late. You're just getting started. Your skin, your spirit, and your story are still blooming.